sound the alarm with over 100 volunteers, Red Cross volunteers. And we have a bunch of appointments, and we're ready to get out and install free smoke alarms and save lives.
This is the smoke alarms, one in each bedroom.
Gained from my experience today with the Red Cross coming to my house and teaching us about fire safety is having an action plan for everyone in our family in case a fire does occur. Fires are really quick, so everyone needs to be ready and prepared for something catastrophic to happen.